A very good morning to all my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and getting ready for second evaluation. Okay, children? Now, let's go to the topics. Okay, parents? This is book submission dates and the names of the books which you have to submit on the particular date. And this is the second evaluation timetable. From Monday onwards, our second evaluation has been begin. Kindly check all the circular. This is then attendance page, which is mandatory for all the parents to fill up their child's attendance regularly and keep updating your child's attendance. Okay, parents? Now, let's go to our topics. Okay, children, get ready.
Children, now get ready for our revision session. So, all are ready? With your EVS book, we will learn about festivals, tools and birds. So, children, open your EVS book, page number 3 to 32. Then, let's learn festivals name. Let's recall festival names. Okay, children? Come on, say which festival is this? Yes, any guess? Yes, it's a Christmas. In the month of December, we celebrate Christmas. अभी Christmas आने वाला है ना? आपको पता है ना? Yes. Then, who comes in the festival of Christmas? Santa Claus. Do you love Santa Claus? Come on, say loudly to your mommy and daddy. Yes. What Santa Claus brings? Santa Claus brings many gifts for children. And what we see in the festival of Christmas? Christmas tree, cakes, gifts, jingle bells and many objects we see in the festival of Christmas. Now, come on, say which festival is this? It's a Christmas. It's a Christmas. Now see the next one. Come on, say. Come on, say loudly. Yes, jaldi jaldi bolo. Yes, it's a Diwali. What we do in the festival of Diwali? आपने अभी दिवाली फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट किया है ना? क्या किया था आपने दिवाली में? We have burnt firecrackers, we wear new clothes, we pray to goddess Lakshmi. Then also what we do? We eat different sweets. Do you love to eat sweets? I love to eat sweets. Mama lights diya. We burn firecrackers and we do enjoy many things in the festival of Diwali. Now see the next one. Come on, see. And say, which festival is this? Any guesses? Yes, it's a festival of Holi. What we do in the festival of Holi? We play with colors. What we do? We play with colors. We see pichkari and look at here, bucket of water, many different colors. Now see the next festival. Which festival is this? Come on, children, say loudly at home. We have learned it. Yes, it's a festival of Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr. Who celebrates this festival? Muslim celebrates this festival. Muslim celebrates Eid ul Fitr. Very good. Now see what they are doing here. They are saying to each other, Eid Mubarak. We say Happy Diwali, Merry Christmas, Happy Holi, and they say Eid Mubarak to each other. They do namaz in the mosque. Very good, children. We have revised. Now, look at here. One more thing is here. Look at this and say which festival is this? Come on, say. What do you see in this picture? Diyas, lanterns, rangoli, crackers, and see many firecrackers. Yes, it's the festival of Diwali. Now see the next one. Yes, come on, say which place is this? It's a mosque. Who go over there? Muslim. And which festival they celebrate? Eid ul Fitr. Then see the next one. Yes, what is this? Yeah, festival of colors. We play with colors and pichkari. Okay, now see the last one. Yes, what is this? Santa Claus is coming. Jingle bell. Then look at here, Christmas tree and many gifts. Which festival is this? It's a festival of Christmas. Come on, say to each other, Merry Christmas. Now children, we will learn tool's name. What we will learn? Tool's name. You have to say all the tool's name. Come on, say. Which tool is this? It's a saw. Then paintbrush, screw, chisel, nut and bolt, pliers, axe, hammer, trowel, screwdriver. Very good children. Come on, repeat with me. Tool's name. Saw. Okay. Now let's repeat once more. Tool's name. Saw. Saw. Screw. Screw. Chisel. Chisel. Paintbrush. Paintbrush. Nut and bolt. Nut and bolt. Pliers. Pliers. Hammer. Hammer. Axe. Axe. Trowel. Trowel. Screwdriver. So you have learned tool's name. Okay children? Children, now we will learn match the similar tools. What we are going to do? Match the similar tools. We are going to do matching. Look at here, many tools are there. Teacher has drawn over here. Look at here the first one. Which tool is this? It's a screw. Come on, say loudly. Screw. Now see from this side which is the same, which is the matching. Yes, it's a here screw. Then see the next one, hammer. Now see from these three which is the same and matching. Yes, this is hammer. Now let's do matching. We have to go slowly. We are not supposed to make dirty. Go slowly. Then axe. Now see from this both. Yes, they both are matching. Yes, let's do matching. Now see the last one. Which tool is this? Nut and bolt. Say loudly. Nut and bolt. This is the last one and this is also the last one. Yes. See? Matching. Screw. Hammer. Axe. Nut and bolt. Okay children, now we will revise our bird's name. Look at here, many birds are here. We have learned earlier. Now you have to recognize all the birds' name. See the first one. Which bird is this? It's a duck. Which bird is this? Duck. Then see the next one. Yes, we have done color in this picture. We have done color. It's our national bird. And it's a peacock. It's a very beautiful bird. Peacock has beautiful feathers. Now see the next one. Yes, black color. Crow. Which bird is this? Crow. Then see the next one. Sparrow. Yes, look at here. Owl. Which bird is this? Owl. Now we will go to the next page. Hen. Yes, hen gives us egg. Hen. Then penguin. Then ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird. Kingfisher. Eagle. Now see once more all the birds' name. Peacock. Duck. Sparrow. Crow. Owl. Then see here. Hen. Penguin. Ostrich. Kingfisher. Eagle. Now children, we will do one activity. Look at here. Match the similar birds. You can do practice at home with different pictures of birds. Now look at here. We have two columns over here. Look at here the birds. Sparrow, crow, parrot, pigeon, ostrich. Now we will see once more. Here also the same birds are here. Parrot, ostrich, pigeon, sparrow, crow. Now we will do matching, which are the same words. We have to do matching on that. See, here is the sparrow. Now from this here you have to search where is the sparrow. See, sparrow. This one is sparrow? No. Here the second one. Then we will do matching. Two sparrow we have to join it. Then crow. Black color crow. Here is the crow. Yes, see, I am going to the crow. Then which bird is this? It's a parrot. Green color bird. Now see, where is parrot in this column? Come on, say fast. Yes, excellent to my dear children. Yes, look at this. They both are same. Then, which bird is this? Pigeon. From these two, come on, say which is the pigeon. Yes, this one. Very good. Same, same. Then last one, ostrich is the largest bird. You can practice at home. Okay, children? Match the similar birds. Sparrow, sparrow. Crow, crow. Parrot, parrot. Pigeon, pigeon. Ostrich, ostrich. Bye-bye, children.
Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands till 20 seconds, and good luck for your exams.